Hello everyone, welcome back to the third class of Marketing Analyst course. In today's session, we will delve into the concepts of digital marketing and marketing management. Let's begin our session. Post-COVID pandemic, around 70% of the businesses that started during that period had entire base digitally. They had their products, they had their services digitally. All the marketing that used to happen were through digital platforms. So this is the scope of which marketing is going ahead in the coming future. It has a lot of growth potential and you as a digital marketer can also engage in this particular stuff. You can be a part of it. You can grow your business forward to an exponential level. Now let's try to understand the management of marketing strategies through a board member or a member of management perspective of a brand. Now it involves the first step is understanding the desires of target audience of the potential customers from the product quality to the product packaging. Right from the scratch of starting that particular product to the end quality, everything should be perfect. Second is analyzing the current market position. Now as a brand, you need to be very aware about how your brand is at what position. What is the position with respect to its rivals, with respect to competitors, and then develop goals of what they want. How much percentage of market dominance is required by the particular brand to grow forward. So that strategy is what the marketing management looks at how to develop certain goals for upcoming future. Then comes developing innovative marketing campaigns to set out brand messaging. Now innovating marketing campaigns, as I have already discussed before, is about creating the brand awareness to the level in which every person who comes across knows the name of that brand to grab their attention towards that particular brand. So that is innovative marketing campaigns. Then comes use of competitive digital space. Now what is digital space? It can be YouTube, it can be Facebook, Instagram, different marketing channels that are currently available in the digital space. So to extract the best out of it, you will have seen some cheeky tweets by these companies during certain events, certain political events. They come up with the sense of humor to attract the customers to grab their attention. Then come analyzing the strength and weaknesses of the company. Doing the SWOT analysis, the strength, weakness and opportunities and threats of the companies, you will want to know how your marketing strategies are working or not. So all these things come under marketing management that is decided by the board of directors, by the top management of the company. I'll be back very soon with the next class. I hope you all are enjoying this class. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section. If you need any additional resource related to this course, DM me on Instagram. Also don't forget to subscribe.